Good morning, traders. I am going to guide you through step by step what I do when I trade 0DTE SPX options. The first thing I'm waiting for is it to be 9:32. That is when, and let me change this, it says 9:33, but I really want it to say 9:32. Because 9:32, that's when I want to set my strike prices for calls and puts. I don't know how many people do this, but I have the calls and the puts set up at the same time so that I can see when there's a change in either one. So that helps me to determine which trade is best to take. If you want to copy my screen, you can go to my channel, and I have a video that's set up there that, let's see. The video is called How to Add UT Bot Alerts to Thinkorswim. Let me really quick. Make a copy of that. Okay, there's my alarm. Here is that video I was telling you about, and that shows you can't find UT bot alerts on Thinkorswim. They're not there, so you have to go to Trading View. And so this guides you through the process of how to get that into your screen so that your screen looks just like mine. Okay, we're going to go ahead and set the call and puts. I come up here to the symbol table. A lot of people go to the trade tab, and I do 0DTE, so that's the first one. And they'll come down here and they'll find out, you know, all this is all the strike prices right here. And I trade at the money. At the money is the first purple bar. That's all you need to really know about that. That is the closest to what the price is on the SPX. So let's come over here. This is the symbol table. You click options. A lot of people don't know this. SPX. And I'll look at 14 strikes at a time. I'm clicking on this very first one. That's at the money. Make it a little bigger so we can see it. Come over here to puts, and I go right across from that. And that's at the money for puts. So now I'm just looking to see which trade looks best. Looks like the puts are leading this morning. I look at my awesome oscillator, and I see that the green bars are continually going up. This volume zone oscillator, I want to see where it goes next. If it pulls back down, I want to wait just a little bit to get into this. A lot of times when the volume zone oscillator is in the red, like over here, that could mean a possible move up. So we're just keeping those things in the back of our mind. Please let me know if you can't hear me. Instead of turning the music off, I'm just going to lower it a little bit. So when it's like this, I hope that you can still hear me. Just waiting right now on the next candle. There it is. The buy signal in puts was beef in pre-market over here at like 9.10. This long wick tells me that that could be a high for this, and it's going to back away a little bit. When we see long wicks, that's a signal that something is going to happen. Here's a long wick over here in the calls. So we're just waiting to see something hit. Here, the volume zone oscillator has gone down. So that's not a good time to get into the trade. Okay, we just got a sell signal. It was red, it's gone back to green, but that looks like a doji. Dojis have real long upper and lower wicks or shadows and small real bodies. This part of the candle we call the real body. Right now it's just going back and forth between green and red. Can't make up its mind, so we're still waiting to do something. Waiting on a buy signal. Yesterday, okay, that says buy calls is my alert. But it's on a red candle, and I don't like to buy on a red candle. So we're still waiting. Yesterday I had a great day. Made 2 trades. The first one was puts, and I made $1,260. The second trade was in calls, and I made $2,000. And that calls continued to go up throughout the day. So if I had stayed in it, at the end of the day, it would have been several $1,000s. Okay, keep getting the buy signal, but with a red candle. I want to see a buy signal with a green candle.
Can you believe he said that? Like, how cute. You can put me in the trash can, throw me on the sidewalk, drop me at the crossroads, sell me at the thrift shop. I don't really care where you send me, send me, send me. No, I don't really care. You can drop me in the ocean, leave me in the alley, hide me in the basement, or leave me at the lost and found. I don't really care where you lose me, lose me, lose me. Or if you choose me. I'm a genius, didn't even graduate, don't have a blue check, not verified, but when I go out, I feel satisfied. Cause I'm hot and pretty and I got nice, hot and pretty and I got nice teeth, hot and pretty and I got nice. If I die happy, hot and pretty and I got nice, hot and pretty and I got nice teeth, hot and pretty and I got nice. If I die happy. All these dummies on my DMs, oh my god I see them, do you think I'm reading? If I did I'll leave them on red.
Okay, I've got a green candle now and a buy signal. Okay, down here the awesome oscillator, it's red though. We really want that to be green, so we're just going to watch and see what happens.
to this where you never listen to the outfit that you love, but your ex couldn't bear. Yeah. On the top you never closed, maybe overshared, joke that went too far, crush you never named, lipstick on your mirror.
Now we have a buy signal with puts. But it looks like a doji spinning top combination, turning into a doji.
More than concrete. Take me to weddings, hear heart pound. I need that something somewhere just to make me feel alive. No, I cannot do.
Okay, the green candle with the buy signal, it's going back and forth between green and red. That just means that's what that's telling me, is that the bulls and bears quite haven't figured out what to do yet. But I would not trade on that candle. It's just not a good solid green candle. It's more like a spinning top right now. Let me tell you a little bit about the indicators that I use. I use the volume zone oscillator to just tell me like where the volume is headed. The awesome oscillator is just one of those basic indicators that just tells me the momentum. And this one continues to head upward. We're waiting for it to maybe cross this zero line for an entry point. I use Bollinger Bands lately. And looking at these bands now, when it touches the upper one, it means it's going to go down, but then this one touched again. It's coming up and down. It's doing all kinds of crazy things. So we're just going to wait. This is when I sit on my hands. Okay, got a nice green candle. Let's see. Want to buy 3 contracts, 25% profit. Boom. I just bought. Okay, this was what I was waiting for, this nice long candle. It's going to mean that the trend is heading up. I like to go ahead and set my limit, and I set up a little template in here, and you could have a stop with it. I've gotten stopped out so many times though that I don't use a stop right at the moment because I go with high probability trades, and so I make ample sure that the trade is heading up. Let me take the position summary off because we don't need that when we're trading options. If we look up here, I double check to make sure that I'm getting 1260 is my goal. It's a little bit under, so I'm going to move it up to 1260. I like to have 1250, and so the nearest thing to that would be 1260. Go a little bit above to account for things like slippage and also any kind of trading fees that there are, so that gives a little bit of wiggle room to pay for commissions and that kind of thing. So just waiting right now. I want to see what that next candle is going to do. Got a couple of minutes for that. This is a test to see if the music is still playing. Okay, right now we are at 660, so we're half the way there. And this is trading 0DTE SPX options.
Take the shots from me now, just like a soul child, feeling so priceless. You got me taking shots from me now, just like a Cadillac, feeling so timeless. Let's talk about it. Late night FaceTime, hold tight, on fire, damn bright, I'm sipping on you. Let's talk about it. Late night FaceTime, hold tight, on fire, damn bright, I'm sipping on you. What's going on with you? I went all out for you. I can't relate, girl, when you say that it was overdue. I play no games for you, girl, what we trying to prove? I had it down, should be down, it's funny I ride with you. It's deja vu, you say it's cause you're Gemini. So inconsistent while you anxious, we wasting ammunition. It's deja vu, I knew that you were never mine. So clueless, I guess you will never know. I need you to just be you. When you're playing dumb, I never even notice. But I'ma play the same game with you now. So come and take the shots from me now, just like a soul child, feeling so priceless. You got me taking shots from me now, just like a Cadillac, feeling so timeless. Let's talk about it. Late night FaceTime, hold tight, on fire, damn bright, I'm sipping on you. Let's talk about it. Late night FaceTime, hold tight, on fire, damn bright, I'm sipping on you.
Okay, we're getting ready to sell. Yay! Okay, we made $1,260 just now. Woohoo! All right. This is Nancy Novick signing off.